Welcome back to the lab, guys. Today, I know I'm not all dressed up, but I'm working in the lab. I'm doing some things, and I had this kind of come up last week, and it saved me. And I was like, you know what? I can knock out a quick video on this. I can do this pretty quickly. So without further ado, guys, I want to go over how to enable Recycle Bin on Active Directory. So stick around. Alright, as I said earlier in this video at the very beginning, yes, we're going to be going over enabling Recycle Bin on Active Directory. And the reason being is, I'm going to be real honest, it helps out with a ton with having to restore users, entities, especially if you're going through temp hires, things like that. Maybe you have seasonal workers that come back, come often. If you just want to disable the account, or say maybe you actually get rid of somebody, maybe they're terminated and you're like, they're not coming back. And guess what? 30, 40 days, 90 days later, they're back, or whatever happens. You got to reinstate them. Sometimes it's easier just to restore them than it is to rebuild everything. You know, especially this is what happened with me. If you've got a hybrid environment where you've got local AD and you've got Azure AD and they've got them connected, one of the things that can happen is if you delete the user in local AD and you recreate them, well, it will delete that user once it's synced. It will delete the user up in Azure directory. And when you go to recreate the user with the same information, it'll say that other username previously is still in use because it's in deleted users. You can go and restore that user, but then you've got to relink the local Active Directory account to Azure Active Directory. Bunch of PowerShell commands later, yes, you can get it to work, and we've done it plenty of times. But what can save you a bunch of time, bunch of headaches, enable Active Directory Recycle Bin. I'm going to go over that real quick, and you can just go in, just restore the user, resync, boom, everything's back to normal. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Here I am. I'm on my domain controller. And to begin this, we're going to go right over here up to Tools. We're going to go to Active Directory Administrative Center. This is how easy this is, guys. It doesn't take long at all. Right here, go ahead and click on your domain. Right on the right-hand side, you're going to see right here, boom, Enable Recycle Bin. Are you sure you want to perform it? Once it's been enabled, it can't be disabled, just so you guys know. Once it's enabled, it can't be disabled. But you know what? Why not? It should be enabled. I mean, how much does everybody love having a recycle bin? I mean, if you actually mess up, you hit delete, you delete something or remove something, just being able to go back and restore, oh, that's fantastic. So we're going to go ahead and enable that. What that just came up saying, go ahead and refresh our AD Center. And if we notice, boom, this is now actually out. And it's now been enabled. So at any time we want to, we can go back and actually restore any users that we want to that have been deleted. So that's how easy it is to enable Recycle Bin. And what it does now is basically instead of the user or item being what they call tombstoned. I don't know, I'll go more in detail tombstone later on. But what that means is that it's gone, it's done, it's forever, it's bye-bye. No bringing it back. I mean, Microsoft could probably bring it back, but I'm not going to get into that right now. But what it does once you enable Recycle Bin, it does kind of like a soft delete. It kind of delinks everything, kind of throws them over there and makes it where they can come back alive if you want to re-enable them. It's kind of like it's almost like a tombstone, but not really. It's more of a soft delete, kind of just makes it where they lose everything. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. So I hope it was helpful. Hope this saves some people. This is really helpful in larger environments. I got some other videos I'm working on, guys. I do have a lot of work going on, so I've been just trying to work my butt off with getting everything caught up, getting videos done, making sure I've got time for my family, making sure I've got time for work, just making sure I get everything done and trying to touch as much as I can. Thanks for all the support, everybody, and until next time, I'll see you in the lab.